Good morning, students. Welcome to science class. Students, let's continue chapter 4, Separation of Substances. In today's session, we will learn the methods of separating the components of mixtures of immiscible liquids. Students, as you know that there are three categories of mixtures. Mixtures of solids with solids, mixtures of solids with liquids, and mixtures of liquids with liquids. Students, in the previous sessions, we had learned the methods of separating the mixtures of solids with solids and mixtures of solids with liquids. In today's session, we will learn the methods of separating the components of mixtures of liquids with liquids. Separating immiscible liquids. Students, we all know that when oil gets mixed with water, it stays as a separate layer on the top. The lower layer is of water. Liquids which do not dissolve in each other are said to be immiscible. A mixture of two immiscible liquids gets separated into two separate layers. A separating funnel is then used to separate out the two immiscible liquids. Students, this method of separation of two immiscible liquids can be understood by an activity. Students, mix some mustard oil in water taken in a beaker. These two liquids form two separate layers. Pour this mixture of mustard oil and water into a separating funnel. Let it stand undisturbed for some time so that the layer of oil and water get clearly separated out. Rotate the stop clock of the separating funnel at the bottom to let the lower layer, that is water, move out of it into a beaker kept below it. Slowly allow the water layer to move out of the separating funnel. Stop the stopcock as soon as the oil reaches the tip. Thus oil is left behind in the separating funnel and water is collected in the beaker kept below. Hence, water and oil get separated. Students, till now we have discussed different methods of separation in isolation. In actual practice, if the mixture contains a number of substances, their separation involves a combination of two or more of these different methods. The selection of methods depend upon the properties of different components present in it. Let us understand this with the help of an activity. Students, to separate sugar, sand, and iron nails from a mixture, we have to follow the following methods to separate these components from the mixture. First is magnetic separation, second is filtration, and third is evaporation. In magnetic separation, iron nails are separated by using a magnet Sand and sugar are left behind. In filtration, put the mixture of sugar and sand in a beaker containing water. Stir till sugar gets dissolved. Filter the solution. Sand gets collected on the filter paper. Sugar dissolved in water comes out in the filtrate. Heat the sugar solution till the water evaporates. Sugar crystals will be left behind. Students, this is all about the chapter 4, Separation of Substances. In the next session, we will do the book exercises of this chapter. Till then, take care. Goodbye.